Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Unfolded. I am Alice. Every week, we unfold one piece of English together, simply, clearly, and step by step.
Hi everyone, I am Jake, and today I look a little tired. I am sorry about that.
Jake, you do look a little tired today. What happened?
I started going to the gym again this week after a long time, and my legs are very tired right now.
Oh, good for you. Getting back to the gym is not easy. How was it?
It was good, but hard. I forgot how difficult it is. My body is saying, "Why are you doing this to me?"
I know that feeling very well. I started running in the mornings last month. The first week was very hard, but now I really enjoy it.
Really? Running in the morning sounds nice, but also very cold right now.
Yes, it is cold, but the fresh air is good, and it wakes me up better than coffee.
Wow, better than coffee. That is saying a lot.
It really is. Well, Jake, I think the universe is telling us something, because today's topic is about exercise and hobbies, and how to talk about them in English when you meet someone new.
Oh, perfect. Because when I meet new people and they ask about my hobbies in English, I do not know how to answer naturally.
Exactly. Talking about hobbies and exercise is one of the most common things people do when they first meet. It is friendly, easy, and a great way to connect.
I am ready. Let's learn.
But before we start, Jake, should we ask our listeners for a small favor?
Of course. Everyone, if English Unfolded is helping you, please hit the like button right now.
And please subscribe to English Unfolded. We make new lessons every week just for you.
Share this with a friend who is learning English. Let's all grow together.
Let's unfold this English journey together. Okay, let's say you just met someone new at a party in New York. You want to get to know them. One of the most natural questions is, do you work out?
Do you work out? That means, do you exercise?
Exactly. Work out means to exercise. Go to the gym, run, play sports. All of these are working out. It is a very common and friendly question.
Do you work out? Simple and very natural.
Yes, and the answer is just as simple. You say, yes, I go to the gym, or I run a few times a week, or not really, but I want to start.
Not really, but I want to start. That is very honest.
And people love honest answers. It is very relatable. Now, if they ask where you work out, you say, I go to the gym near my house, or I work out at home.
I go to the gym near my house. I work out at home. Both are very clear.
Good. Now, after the exercise question, a very natural follow-up is, what do you do for fun?
What do you do for fun? That means, what are your hobbies?
Exactly. For fun means in your free time, for enjoyment. It's a warm and open question, not too formal, not too personal.
What do you do for fun? I like that. It feels friendly.
It does. And the answer is simple. You say, I like to cook, or I like to watch movies, or I like to play basketball on weekends.
I like to. That is very easy to remember. I just put my hobby after I like to.
Exactly. I like to read. I like to travel. I like to take walks. All very natural and all very clear.
I like to play video games. I like to go hiking. I like to listen to music. I can use this for everything.
Yes, I like to is one of the most useful phrases for beginners. Short, clear, and works for any hobby.
Okay, so I answered the question, what does the other person say next?
They might say, oh, me too, or that sounds fun, or I've never tried that. And then the most natural thing to say at the end is, we should do that sometime.
We should do that sometime. That means let's do it together one day.
Exactly. It's a friendly and warm way to end the conversation. It shows you want to spend more time with that person.
We should do that sometime. That is a very nice way to connect with someone new.
It really is. Okay, Jake, let's do a role play. I'm someone you just met at a party in New York. Ready?
Ready.
Hi, I'm Alice. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Alice. I am Jake. Nice to meet you too.
So, Jake, do you work out?
Yes, I go to the gym near my house. I just started again this week, actually.
Oh, nice. Good for you. What do you do for fun outside of the gym?
I like to play basketball on weekends, and I like to watch movies at home. What about you?
I like to run in the mornings, and I like to cook on weekends.
Oh, you cook. That sounds fun. What do you like to make?
I like to make pasta. It's easy and delicious. You should try it sometime.
Yes, we should cook together sometime.
I love that idea. That was perfect, Jake. Very natural from start to finish.
Thank you, and I actually want to cook pasta now.
Me too. Okay, shall we unfold what we learned today one more time?
Yes, let's do it.
First phrase, when you want to ask about exercise, do you work out?
Do you work out? Friendly and natural, perfect for a new conversation.
And the answer, I go to the gym, or I run a few times a week, or not really, but I want to start.
Not really, but I want to start. Very honest, very relatable.
Then, to ask about hobbies, what do you do for fun?
What do you do for fun? Open and friendly, not too personal.
And the answer, I like to play basketball. I like to cook. I like to read.
I like to. Just put your hobby after these 3 words. So easy.
And at the end, to show you want to connect, we should do that sometime.
We should do that sometime. Warm and friendly. A great way to end.
Every phrase today is short and clear. No difficult words, no long sentences, just real, natural English that you can use right away.
I feel ready to talk to anyone about exercise and hobbies now, even in English.
And that's one more door you just opened. Everyone at home, you did so well today, really.
We are so proud of you, and we have a question for you.
Everyone, please leave a comment below. Tell us, what do you like to do for fun? Write it in English.
We love reading your answers. It makes us so happy to see everyone practicing.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please give us a like and subscribe to English Unfolded.
And share this with a friend who is learning English. Let's all grow together.
Well, Jake, I hope your legs feel better after today.
Thank you, Alice. I hope so too. Take care, everyone. Goodbye.
Keep unfolding your voice. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.